Take out the sole and make sure toe is facing you. We'll crochet from right side. Insert hook into the hole. Pull a length of yarn and place it along the inner sole. Use the hook to grab the yarn and pull it through the hole. Adjust the loop and insert the hook into. Press the tail of the yarn with left hand. Wrap the yarn over and hook out a loop to finish chain 1. Insert hook into next hole with yarn tail on the top. Yarn over and draw out a look. Pull it up, keeping the 2 loops at the same leaf. Yarn over and hook out. We finish a single crochet. We make single crochet into every hole till last stitch. It is quite easy. Just follow the steps. Insert hook into the hole, yarn over and draw out a loop. Pull it up a little bit to make 2 look on the same level. Then wrap yarn and hook out. We finish a single crochet. Just notice the tips 1. Placing yarn tail on the hook after insert hook into a hole to hide it into stitches. 2. Avoid pulling the yarn too tightly, as this can deform the sole. Maintain a slight tension to ensure the sole retains its shape. 3. If you find that the sole has become misshapen, simply reverse it and bend it gently to restore its original shape. Here we go back to the first hole and make last single crochet. Make a slip stitch into first chain for connecting to finish the foundation. Extend the loop to make the sole go through it and pull the yarn to fasten it. Then insert the insole. To begin the first row, we need to locate the chain stitches. Find the marking line on the center of the toe and mark it. Count 3 stitches from it to the right, also mark it with a sticker. Count 2 stitches to the left. Both sides are the same. We also need to count 6 stitches on the left sole later. Take off the sticker and insert hook. Pull a length of white yarn and hook out a loop. Adjust the loop, join yarn and hook out to finish chain 1. Place the yarn in front of the hook. Insert the hook into the center of the next stitch, yarn over, hook out, and pull it up straight. Yarn over and hook out. Here we finish a half double crochet. We need to do an increase in the same stitch, which means 2 half double crochet in every single stitch. We just repeat all the steps to finish every stitch to last one. Notice to place the yarn tail on the top of the hook on every stitch, then we'll hide it on stitches. Then we'll make a slip stitch in the end to finish the row and turn to next. You can see we get 4 diamond patterns here on row 1. Then insert hook, join yarn, hook out a loop, then draw the loop out through back. After completing each row, use your hand to adjust the stitches to maintain their shape. Put a sticker on the loop and pull it to fasten, then minimize the loop. Pull over the yarn. This yarn will serve as a control yarn, determining the height of the vamp. Ensure it's neither too loose nor too tight. Insert the hook into the next stitch and hook out a loop to make a chain stitch. Make an appropriate length of the control yarn. Then we need to place the yarn from the back to the front of the hook. Insert hook and make a half double crochet increases into the stitch. Continuing the pattern to last stitch. On the last stitch, we need to join the loop of first row, then yarn over, hook out all the 4 loops. Make a slip stitch to finish. Every row just the same, we begin with chain 1, then do half double crochet to last stitch and make a slip stitch to finish the row. We complete 2 rows with white yarn, which would make the mouth part of baby shark. Then we cut off the white yarn and pull over the pink yarn and continue to finish row 4. We can hide the yarn tail into stitches by placing it on the hook before wrap the yarn. Last, make a slip stitch. Use hands to adjust the stitches finished. Pull the loop to fasten it and mark it with a sticker. Complete 3 rows. Then continue the 4th row.